Hello friends, welcome to ARG Pharmaland YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of quantitative microscopical evaluation. In this method we have a Lycopodium spore method. Lycopodium spore method, it is an important analytical technique for the powdered drug, especially when physical and chemical method of evaluation of crude drugs are inapplicable. This method is simple, precise, sensitive and accurate. And this method can be used for the routine standardization of crude drugs. And this method gives the ratio of individual ingredient in the powdered drug, so that any adulteration of genuine drug with its adulterant can be found out. So இந்த மெத்தட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம crude drugல இருக்க adulterant வந்து நம்ம ஈஸியாக ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ண முடியும். And it has been developed for the simple and rapid quantification of dried powdered of plants or its parts. Lycopodium spores are obtained from the glove moss of Lycopodium clavatum plant, which belonging to the family of Lycopodiaceae. It consists of the spores of glove moss. The yellow color part of this plant is called as spikes. So these spikes are cut and dried. The spores are separated by the shaking. So இந்த ஸ்போர்ஸ்லேருந்து எடுக்கிற பவுடர் தான் வந்து Lycopodium powder. So these powders are yellow in color, extremely mobile and flammable powder without odor and taste. It contains 50% of oil and glycosides of Lycopodium oleic acid and 3% of sugar and phytosterine and alkaloids. Mostly these plants are grows in the North America, Russia, Poland, India and Pakistan. So the Lycopodium spore method, it is used for the identification of crude drugs and the percentage purity. It is an inexpensive technique with an official status. So இதான் வந்து microscopical view of Lycopodium powder. So these Lycopodium spores are very characteristic in shape and appearance. They have uniform average diameter of 25 micrometer and also they have a uniform moisture content. Hence the weight remains the same. So this is the reason why these spores are used to evaluate the powdered drugs by the comparison. The spores are also resistant to pressure. So in the Lycopodium spore powder la average per mg க்கு 94,000 spores வந்து அதில் இருக்கும். The number of spores per mg can be determined by the direct counting and this calculation is based on specific gravity and dimension of the spores. ஸோ நம்ம எந்த ஒரு பவுடரை எவாலுவேட் பண்ணுமோ அந்த பவுடரோட கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸ்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா இட் ஷுட் ஹாவ் த வெல் டிஃபைன்டு பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ் விச் மே பி கவுண்டட். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஸ்டார்ச் கிரைன்ஸ், ஸ்டார்ச் கிரானியூல்ஸ். ஸோ பின்னாடி பேக்ரவுண்டில் இருக்கிறது வந்து ஸ்டார்ச் கிரானியூல்ஸோட மைக்ரோஸ்கோபிக்கல் வியூ. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இட் ஷுட் ஹாவ் த சிங்கிள் லேயர்டு செல்ஸ் ஆர் தி டிஷ்யூஸ், த ஏரியா ஆஃப் விச் மே பி ட்ரேஸ்ட் அண்டர் த சூட்டபிள் மேக்னிஃபிகேஷன். And also it should have the uniform thickness, the length of which can be measured under the suitable magnification. And also this method is used for the evaluation of powdered clove, ginger, nutmeg, cardamom, umbelliferous fruits, etc. By using this method, the number of pollen grains in pyrethrum powder, the starch granules in the wheat powder, and also starch grains in ginger can be determined. The percentage purity of an authentic powdered ginger is calculated using this equation N into W into 94,000 into 100 divided by S into M into P, where N is the number of characteristic structure. For example, starch grains in 25 field. W is the weight of Lycopodium powder taken. It is in mg. S is the number of Lycopodium spores in the same 25 field. M is the weight of powdered sample. It is also in mg. P is the 286,000 in case of ginger starch grain powder. ஸோ இந்த P வேல்யூ வந்து நம்ம எந்த ஒரு பவுடர் எடுக்கிறோமோ அதை பொறுத்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். Next one is the counting of particles. The drug which have to determine is powdered. The weighed quantity of powder and weighed quantity of Lycopodium spores are mixed in a small watch glass using the flexible spatula. This mixture is suspended in a suitable viscous liquid like cotton oil Drop of this suspension is mounted and examined with the 4 mm objective. The number of characteristic particles and the number of Lycopodium spores are counted in the 25 various fields. This experiment is repeated with a similar suspension. From this mean of these results, the characteristic of particles in 1 mg of powder may be determined. Next one is the uses. This method is used to determine the size of particles in the powder, such as fragments of leaves, isolated fibers, etc. For example, the epidermal area per gram of Ailanthus leaves is 318 cm square, and for the senna 270 cm square. So by using this, we can easily determine the percentage of each ingredient in the mixture. And the next example is sclerenchyma layer. So the area of this tissue per gram for the linseed is 34.3 cm square, and in the defeated material it gives the 47.7 cm square area per gram. So the next example is fibers. The area of fibers in the bark is constant, that is 92.5 cm square, but when the cassia is adulterated in the cinnamon bark, it gives the 13.1 cm square. So by using this, we can easily identify the adulterant present in the material. It also used to determine the percentage of each powdered particles in the mixture, and it is used to determine the length of lignified ribs of trichomes in Nux vomica, and also it is used to determine the Nux vomica content of 2 veterinary medicines. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more updates.